Hello and welcome back to my channel. This segment of my channel is all things British Nigerian. So today we're going to be doing sort of like the part 2. I did dye my hair, which was a little bit of a fail, from black to burgundy blaze by Crème of Nature 6.2. Got the result of like a hot root. It processed my roots but not the rest of the hair. I decided to braid over it. See what I've done so far. So pretty much, and what I'm doing is like a jumbo medium size knotless braid. I'm going to curl the ends. I did end up mixing the hair. Let me show you what colours I mixed. This is the hair after mixing about 4 different colours. I was going for a reddish, brownish, gingery tone. You can see the ginger. So this is one of the bundles that I was able to get. BJ, and it looks like this. So this is the high reddish tone. So that is BJ. It's 350. A really rich, beautiful, fiery, gingery reddish color. If I compare it to the BJ, tangy orange compared to the BJ. So this is the BJ and this is the 350. Winey color. It's beautiful and rich. I'm not sure what color this is, I'll be very honest. I think it's color 33. Brush, which is the Doyin brush, which I had for absolutely ages. So the writing on it has disappeared with the 99J. So I could purpley brush the hair and get that beautiful blend in the hair like this. I have 2 mirrors, combs and clips to help with the parting. And I found this really helpful picture to help with my parting. I also use the Blue Magic Cream. Let's go. So I'm going to show you how I basically do the braiding now. Lay the hair aside so it will be easy for me to grab. Piece 1, piece 2, piece 3, piece 4, and piece 5. And then we're going to braid it onto this big section. I need to mix some more hair together, so I'm going to mix 99J and BJ. I only have this left. You can see those dark 99Js are coming through. At this point, I'm just going to give it a nice brush. A bunch of tangles, not cute. We move. Okay guys, so I'm back and we're going to be braiding the 2 braids in the front on the right side of the head. I've parted it out. I'm just going to give it a brush. I know I watch a lot of American videos that like to add gel, but I don't like to add gel to mine. I just add cream. Multicolored hair. The gel I'll be using is the best gel ever. It is the Olive Oil Super Hold Wig Grip Gel infused with castor oil. So it is used for wigs and weaves, but this is the best gel ever, and I'm going to be using that for my edges. Pencil. I'm just going to fill in some hairs. That's such a clever technique that I always do. A dark purple, and I go in and apply the gel. I first use the purple. I'm going to go in with some black, just a tiny bit. And this is fine, it can wash out. As if my hair is not multicolored enough.